to break or share out our answers for 1 through 3. Be the risk taker to start us off at level 3. After we're done and we feel like, you know what, we've got 100% on that answer, someone will transition us and then we'll go all the way to the finish. Take the next 5 minutes. Go.
Monica.
I said the first one was a lipid. I said they're used for protective covering and for insulation.
I disagree. I said number 1 was a carbohydrate. Its function is structure and support.
Right. What made you get that for number 1? 1A?
Who, Brent?
Yeah,
Okay, because I looked at number 2, and I noticed that it was a lipid because the ratio of hydrogen is higher than it would be if it was a carbohydrate.
Okay, but what do lipids compose of?
I went to, like I said, the note on the carbohydrates, and the little part right here, it gives a picture and key idea number 3. The picture matches the one up there more than it does the other one, so connect it up.
Good, sir. Do your thing.
I still disagree. I don't understand if I'm wrong. I just have my opinion because number 2, the picture has C. It doesn't carbohydrate need carbohydrates.
It doesn't carbohydrate need who?
Okay, well, the main thing you need to pay attention to with the lipid is that its structure will always be E-like.
Can y'all level 3? I can't hear nothing.
Okay, so the structure of a lipid will always look like an E. I'll go back to my notes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, like this.
Look at you.
I think we have accomplished number 1, we should move on to number 2.
I just said number
What you said number 2 was?
2. Lipids. That was my comparison to it becoming carbohydrates. Yeah.
Number 3.
Wait, I have a question for DeAndre. What did Terrence say gave away that number 2 was a lipid?
He said the number 2 it will always be a lipid because of its E shape.
Yeah. Brianna, what did you write down for number 3? Isaiah, what did you say for number 3?
I said it was macromolecule nucleic acid.
Nucleic acid.
Yeah.
What made you think that it was a nucleic acid or a
Level 2, take 2, level 3.
What convinced you that number 3 was a nucleic acid or macromolecule? Evidence.
Do you need?
Okay, so I looked in the notes for the nucleic acid, and this picture right here matches yours with the nucleic acid.
Quick clarifying question. I'm still confused. Is DNA an acid? Because it says, I forget the name, but it says DNA, and I know that A means acid. So, is it an acid?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, but I think this is out of the question, but isn't it the same acid that supports your digestive system? Or is it the same acid that helps create a DNA life?
DNA is an acid, so what acid are you talking about to create?
Can we refer back to number 3, because I feel like we just went to a whole different point and we haven't figured out 3 yet.
I know, that's why I said it was a side question, because I was like,
2 more minutes.
I'm sorry. So Kennedy, what did you say was number 3?
You said number 3 was a nucleic acid because it has
Can you level through that?
It's a nitrogen base, and then this is, nitrogen.
Marco, can you repeat to me what you said in your own words, please?
She says nucleic acid. And,
What else?
yeah, I think she said, what is that, nucleic acid?
Brianna, what you think?
So, thank you, Brianna. I said that, well, the reason I got my answer, because I used the letter B, to tell the difference. I said carbohydrates and lipids don't use nitrogen atoms. They don't need it. They use carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. So that's why I got nucleic acid to be 3 instead of 1 or 2.
Where'd you get your evidence from?
So
30 seconds.
it says in the nucleic article part, it says that each nucleotide contains a carbohydrate molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen-containing molecule that, because of its properties, is a nitrogenous base. So it uses nitrogen. And then if you look at the other ones, let me hold on 1 second. If you look at the lipids and the carbohydrates, is for the first one for lipids, it said lipids are organic molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. And carbohydrates says that, the second sentence says, carbohydrates are molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. With the ratio.
You said what's the ratio? You didn't say the ratio.
The ratio of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atoms is 1 to 2 to 1.
Give me in 5.